In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale groups in Figma. Scaling elements in Figma is a fundamental skill for any designer, but when you're working with complex groups or components, it can sometimes feel a bit challenging to get things just right without distorting your carefully crafted designs. We've all been there, trying to resize a section only to find text squished or icons stretched disproportionately. But don't worry. There's a simple, effective way to ensure your groups scale perfectly every time, maintaining all their proportions and relationships. Today, we'll walk through the process of using Figma's dedicated scale tool to achieve this with ease and precision. The first step, and this is crucial, is to select the layers you wish to scale. Think of these layers as the individual components that make up your group, whether it's a collection of icons, a button, a card, or an entire section of your user interface. You can select multiple layers by clicking and dragging a selection box around them on the canvas, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each individual layer in either the canvas or the Layers panel on the left. Make sure every element you want to be part of the scaled group is highlighted. This ensures that when we apply the scaling transformation, all chosen elements move and resize together as a single, cohesive unit. It's important to be precise here, as any unselected layers will remain untouched and could potentially break your design's layout. Once your layers are selected, the next step is incredibly simple but powerful. You need to activate the Scale tool. To do this, simply press the letter K on your keyboard. This is a vital shortcut that will change your editing mode from the standard Move tool, which is usually activated by pressing V, to the specialized Scale tool. You'll notice a subtle change in your cursor, or perhaps the bounding box around your selected layers, indicating that you are now in scaling mode. This K shortcut is a real time saver and instantly prepares your selection for proportional scaling. Using the Scale tool is different from just resizing a bounding box with the Move tool, because it actually scales the contents within the group, including font sizes, stroke weights, and effects, ensuring everything maintains its visual integrity. Now that the Scale tool is active, you can go ahead and scale your selected layers. With the Scale tool enabled, you'll see the bounding box around your selection. To scale, simply click and drag any of the corner handles of this bounding box. As you drag, you'll observe that all the layers you previously selected will scale proportionally, both horizontally and vertically, from the center of the group by default. The magic here is that everything within that selection, your text, your icons, your shapes, even the stroke weights on your elements, will resize intelligently, maintaining their original aspect ratios and relative positions. You won't get distorted text or stretched images. Once you've achieved your desired size, simply release your mouse button. To exit the Scale tool and return to the standard Move tool, you can either press V on your keyboard or hit the Escape key, and there you have it, perfectly scaled groups in Figma. This method saves you a lot of manual adjustments and ensures your designs look sharp at any size.